Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman, and today we have Dean Fergie from Cyan and Simon Shields from Monash, and we're talking about fallen angels, the stocks that have fallen out of the sky. Simon, start with you. Chocolate manufacturer going to the US, Yowie, buy, hold or sell?
That's a buy, Matthew. Big volume growth to come in Yowie. We've seen Nielsen data. The kids really like it. It's selling extremely well, even though there's only limited distribution in the States, and it provides the retailers with a very high margin. We think there are two compelling reasons why those volumes will continue to grow close to 100% per annum.
US market hard to crack, Dean. Buy, hold or sell?
I think so, yeah. I don't agree with Simon, unfortunately. Their sales, we think, don't really add up to the store presence they're talking. They're still losing money. They've got a strong balance sheet, but with the change in management, we wouldn't be there.
Okay.
Sell.
Let's go to something a bit more exciting, telcos.
Ooh, not so exciting.
Big disruption recently, NBN and so on. Vocus, buy, hold or sell?
Yeah, Vocus has fallen a long way. It's nearly half of what it was when it bought NextGen. We think that business has gone pretty much ex-growth, although it's on a reasonable multiple, so hold.
Okay, Simon, Vocus, come back a long way, doesn't look too expensive. Buy, hold or sell?
Hold for Vocus as well, Matthew. Look, its business increasingly becomes a retailer of NBN's product over time. Barriers to entry are falling. It's a hold at best.
All right, let's go to media, technology. Isentia, been a disaster of late.
It's been an
Buy,
absolute
hold or sell?
But hold. I mean, it's been an absolute shocker. The share price has fallen a long way. It used to be thought of as basically a monopoly with lots of sticky customers and pricing power, but increasingly it's getting competition from Meltwater coming in, and I don't think we've seen the full impact of that yet, but the share price has started to anticipate it.
It's been a terrible, couple of big legs down.
Yeah.
Buy, hold or sell, Dean?
Sell, it's another example of, I guess, investors being burnt by a private equity sell down. Simon's right, there's competition from Meltwater. They've made poor acquisition in King Content. It's not really living up to market expectations, so I wouldn't be there. Sell.
Okay, there's fallen angels wherever you look all the time. Give us one that you think's worthwhile looking at.
Well, like Capital Health, they're radiology centres, so quite defensive, high barriers to entry. It's just raised about $40 million in capital to pay down debt, new management. We think it's one to have a look at, yep.
Simon, you got something to match that?
I do. Catapult, it's a buy. It's fallen a long way as well. Wearable technology for sport. How can you not like that? And certainly the teams do. Very sticky customers, lots of pricing power, a long way to go to penetrate the market, and it's the biggest player in the space.
Angels are hard to find, but if you can, they can be very profitable.